Hi guys, welcome to my space. In this very short video, I'm gonna be showing you how to put to good use your prawn head. I know a lot of people take off their prawn heads and throw it away because they do not want to get choked by the sharp parts around the mouth of the prawn. Now, the prawn head is just as nutritious and as flavorful, if not more flavorful, than the whole body of the prawn. So in case you do not plan to blend your prawn, probably what you want to do is you just wish to put it like this in your food. Instead of taking off the head of your prawn and throwing it away, this is what you should do. Pick it out, put it in a blender, blend it to powdered form, or put it in your mortar and crush the head to powdered form. For instance, I have a powdered form of the prawn head here. Now, this way you do not have to, this way you have the whole prawn in your pot of food and you do not have to be worried about being choked or being injured by the sharp mouth of the prawn. Also, the blended prawn serves as a very great substitute for your crayfish. So next time, instead of throwing away the prawn head, just put it in your blender, blend it to powdered form, or crush it in your mortar and put it to good use. I hope you got value watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like our page and follow us on Instagram. I'll talk to you later.